Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stream on Twitch with OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to twitch.tv and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner, then select Create a Dashboard from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll manage all your streaming settings and find your unique stream key. In the left sidebar, click on Settings, then select Stream. Here, navigate to Primary Stream Key. Right beside it, you'll see a copy button. Click it to copy your stream key. This key is what connects OBS to your Twitch account, so keep it secure and don't share it with anyone. Now, open your OBS application. In the upper left corner, click on File, then select Settings from the menu. This opens up all the configuration options you'll need to set up your stream properly. In the left panel, click on Stream. Navigate to Service at the top. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select Twitch from the list. Below that, click Use Stream Key. In the Stream Key field, click the text box beside it and paste the stream key you copied earlier from Twitch. This links your OBS directly to your channel. Next, in the left sidebar, click Output. Look for video bitrate and set it to 8000, which gives you 1080p quality at 60 FPS. You can adjust this higher if your internet connection supports it, but 8000 is a solid starting point for most streamers. In the left panel, click Audio. Look for desktop audio. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select Default, or you can choose a specific device based on your preferences. This captures all the sounds from your computer, including game audio and music. Navigate to Mic/Auxiliary Audio, click the drop-down menu, and select your microphone from the list. This ensures your voice will be heard on stream. In the left panel, click Video. Look for Base Canvas Resolution. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select your monitor resolution. Since my monitor is 1080p, I'll select 1920 by 1080. Below it, you'll see Output Scaled Resolution. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select the same resolution. Below that, navigate to Common FPS Values and set it to 60 FPS for smooth, high-quality streaming. In the bottom right, click Apply, then click OK to save all your settings. Now let's set up your stream layout. Click the plus icon under Scenes to create a new scene, then click OK. Navigate to Sources, click the plus icon, then select Display Capture. Enter your display capture name, for example Twitch, then click OK. Look for Display, click the drop-down menu right beside it. Select your preferred display from the list, then click OK. This will stream your entire monitor. You can resize the preview window if needed by dragging the corners. To add your webcam, click the plus icon again, then select Video Capture Device. Enter a name, for example type Webcam, then click OK. Navigate to Device, click the drop-down at the top, and choose your webcam. Click OK and resize it if needed by dragging the corners. Once everything is set up and you're ready to go live, click Start Streaming on the right side. You're now live on Twitch streaming with OBS. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.